In this video, I will tell you how to change date of birth of your Facebook account and your mobile phone. So it is easy. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Then tap on your profile picture on the left. Here tap on edit profile. Scroll down, tap on edit your about info. Here scroll down again, and here you will see basic info option, and on the right you will see edit option. So tap on edit. And here you can see your date of birth and days, months and years. So first of all, you can change your month and date. So tap on February or tap on month, and here select your month. Here select your day you were born, and here select the year. Tap on this. Let's suppose I am selecting this one, and here Facebook asks you that please confirm this. I confirm that I am 12 years old. So tap on this. Now I tick this option, and then scroll down and tap on save option in the bottom. Your date of birth will be changed. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.